Tired of your Gamma workspace looking like everyone else's? That default logo makes all your presentations blend together. Change your logo in under 30 seconds and instantly brand your presentations to stand out. I will show you exactly where to click in settings, how to upload your image, and save the change. Let us start. First, navigate to the Settings menu. On the left side of your screen, you will see a sidebar with a few options. Look for the one that says Settings. It's usually near the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. From Settings, go to the Overview tab. At the top of the Settings page, there are several tabs lined up: General, Account, Billing, and so on. The one you want is Overview. Just click on that tab. Now locate your current logo. In the Overview section, look for the area that shows your workspace information. You will see your current logo there. It is probably the default Gamma icon. Click directly on that logo image. Time to replace it with your own image. A small menu will pop up. In that menu, you will see an option that says Upload New Photo. Click on that. Your computer will open a file browser window. Navigate to wherever you have your logo saved. It could be on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or somewhere else. Select the file and click Open. This might take a moment to process, depending on the file size. Adjust the crop to fit perfectly. After the image uploads, you will see a crop window. Your logo might look a bit stretched or off-center at first. Just drag the corners or the edges of the crop box until your logo looks exactly how you want it. You can also click and drag the image itself to reposition it inside the box. Once you are happy with how it looks, click the Apply button or the check mark to confirm. And here is the really important part. You need to save your new logo. Look for a blue Save button somewhere on the page, usually at the bottom. Click that. Without saving, all your work disappears. Now check that the logo appears correctly. Give the page a second to refresh. You should see your new logo now displayed in the Overview section. If it looks good, move on. See how it looks in your actual presentations. Go back to your main dashboard. Look at any of your existing presentations. You will notice that your new logo is now automatically applied to anything you have already created. It updates everywhere. That is it. From a bland, generic workspace to something that actually looks like yours. If this helped you, consider giving this video a thumbs up.